God lives in the heart of judge. A judge is a representative of God and his judgment is equal to God's decision. The present story, The Village Judge, is a story based on this belief. Namaskar everyone. Welcome you all to yet another class of Sikhya Sanjog program. In today's class, we will go through the second part of the story, The Village Judge, from 10th class English non-detailed section. ପିଲେ ସଂସାରରେ ବିଚାରପତି ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଠାକୁରଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ଓ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ହେଉଛି ଠାକୁରଙ୍କ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି। ଏହି ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ ଗପଟି ଦ ଭିଲେଜ୍ ଜଜ୍ର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାର୍ଟକୁ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ ଜଣାଉଛି। Before going to the second part, let's have a quick look at the short recap of part 1. Jumman and Algu were close friends. Jumman o Algu घनिष्ठ बंधु थिले। Jumman's aunt, who had a piece of property, transferred it to Jumman. Jumman को aunt जहाँ को पाखरे जमी खंडिए थिला ताकु से जुम्मन को हस्तांतर कले। After the property transfer, she got ill treatment from Jumman and his wife. संपत्ति हस्तांतर परे जुम्मन ओ तांको स्त्री खुड़ी को खराब व्यवहार प्रदर्शन कले। तेणु खुड़ी तांको मासिक खर्च बाबद को जुम्मन को मासिक भत्ता दाबी कले। So, aunt claimed a monthly allowance for her expenses. She decided to call a panchayat and asked Algu to remain present there. से गोटे पंचायत डाकिबा पाई विचार कले आउ अलगु को सेथिरे उपस्थित रहिबा पाई कहिले। Second part starts. The panchayat met under a tree one evening. The old woman stated her case and then said to Jumman, "Whom would you like to be the panch?" Jumman answered angrily, "Let me not say anything now, aunt. It is your show. Have anyone you like." She said, "Son, have fear of God. The panch is nobody's friend or enemy. Do you accept Algu Chaudhary? I name him as chief judge." Jumman was overjoyed, but he hid his feelings and replied, "Let it be Algu Chaudhary." New words. Met. बसिला एठारे पंचायत बसिला। Stated, V2 of state, व्यक्त कले कहिले। एनिमी शत्रु। ओवरजॉयड अत्यधिक खुशी हेले, V2 of overjoy। हिड V2 form of hide, hide माने लुचाइबा। So, according to our aunt, the panchayat was met under a tree. Auntie told everything about her case and wanted Algu Chaudhary to be the chief judge. Jumman was very happy to this, but he hid his feeling and said it okay. खुड़ीଙ୍କ अनुसारे पंचायतटी बसिला। खुड़ी तांकर सबु विषय पंचायत को जणैले। से अलगु चौधरी को मुख्य विचारपति हेबा पाई कहिले। एथिरे जुम्मन अत्यधिक खुशी हेले, किंतु से निज खुशी को लुचेई रखिबा पाई पसंद कले। Algu did not want to be mixed up in this affair. He wanted to get out and exclaimed, "Auntie, you know Jumman and I are close friends?" The aunt replied gravely, "Son, nobody can sell his conscience for friendship. God lives in the heart of the panch. Whatever the panch says is spoken by God himself." Algu said, "Sheikh Jumman, you and I are old friends, but at this moment You and old aunt are exactly the same to me. You may state your case before the panchayat. Mixed up means involve, मिसिबा अंतर्भुक्त हबा. Affair noun प्रसंग. Get out बाहर को बाहरिबा. अलगू कहिछि से एई केस रु बाहर को बाहरिया को चाहुछि. Exclaimed दाबी कले. Conscience noun विवेक. Algu did not want to involve in this matter because Jumman was his close friend. But Auntie's views regarding becoming a chief judge and his role in a case changed Algu's mind totally. Algu किंतु एथिरे एही केस रे मिसिबा पाई जम्मारू चाहिले नाही काहेकि ना जुम्मन तांको घनिष्ठ बंधु थिले. किंतु आंटी को मतामत पंच मानक भूमिका विषय जानला परे अलगू निज मन को पूरापूरी परिवर्तन करिदेले. Jumman was now confident that he had won. He imagined that Algu's talk was mere show. Therefore, with his heart at peace, he stated his case. Algu Chaudhary started asking questions which Jumman found hard to answer. Finally, Algu gave his judgment. Jumman Sheikh, the elders have considered this matter. They think it proper that aunt should have a monthly allowance. This is our decision. If you do not agree to pay the monthly expenses, then the property should be returned to her. New words. Confident adjective. Sunishchita sure thile. 1. V2 form of win. Jiniba जय करिबा. Mere adjective केवल. Show noun प्रदर्शनी. Peace शांति. Judgment noun राय किंबा मतामत. Considered verb विचार करिबा. Proper ठीक. Monthly allowance मासिक भत्ता. Expenses खर्च. Algu treated both auntie and Jumman equally. Jumman was now sure about his winning position, so he peacefully stated his case before Panch. Finally, Algu and his team gave this judgment that Jumman should give auntie a monthly allowance for her all expenses, otherwise return her property to her. अलगू उभय आंटी और जुम्मन को समान न्याय दृष्टि रे देखिले. जुम्मन किंतु मने मने बहुत खुशी हेले जे से निश्चय जीति जिबे काहेकि ना अलगू होचंदी तांको घनिष्ठ सांग. से निज सबु कथा पंच मानक आगरे रखिले. सबु कथा को सुनी सारिला परे शेषरे अलगू और वयोज्येष्ठ व्यक्ति माने निष्पत्ति देले जे जुम्मन आंटी को मासिक भत्ता दबा उचित, नहेले आंटी को तांको संपत्ति फेरस्त करि दिया जिवो. Summary. The panchayat was called. Aunt suggested Algu's name for Chief Justice, but Algu was not interested. He feared that his friendship with Jumman may come to an end for this case, whereas Jumman was very happy and quite sure of his win. Aunt's words like, "The punch is nobody's friend or enemy," "voice of conscience is above friendship," "God lives in the heart of the punch," changed Algu's mind completely. He decided to treat both Jumman and Aunt equally. Finally, his team decided that Jumman should give a monthly allowance to Aunt for her expenses. Otherwise, her property should be returned to her. Children, we have some interesting activities here in the part worksheet 2. There are some words given in the brackets and you have to fill those words in the blanks in the given sentences. In 2, opposites, give opposites of the words like accept, overjoy, answer, friendship, want, confident, height, friend. The third one is match A and B. In the A column, there are the statements, and in the B column, there are the persons, Auntie, Chuman and Algu, who have said these statements, and you have to match them. So children, this is the part 2 ends here. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in the third part. Till then, stay safe, stay home.